Let's make some delicious pancakes. Step 1 commences with gathering the right ingredients. For this endeavor, you'll need a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. The journey to pancake perfection begins with mixing the dry ingredients. Combine the flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Stir these ingredients together until they are thoroughly mixed. This creates a solid foundation for your pancakes, ensuring they rise just right and have a consistent texture. Next, focus shifts to the wet ingredients. Pour the buttermilk into a separate bowl. Crack in the egg and whisk together. Then slowly drizzle in the melted butter while continuing to whisk. This combination will add richness and depth to your pancakes. Now, the moment of unity arrives. Gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir until just combined, but remember, a few lumps are okay. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, and nobody wants that. The next stage of your pancake journey involves heat. Preheat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Test the heat by sprinkling a few drops of water on it. If they sizzle and evaporate, you're good to go. Ladle the batter onto the hot griddle, taking care not to overcrowd the surface. Allow the pancakes to cook until bubbles form on the surface and the edges look set. This is the cue for the most exciting part of the process, the flip. With a swift and confident motion, turn the pancakes over and let them cook for another minute or two until golden brown and cooked through. Voila! Now you have a stack of perfect pancakes, ready to be dressed up with your favorite toppings, be it fresh fruits, a drizzle of maple syrup, a dusting of powdered sugar, or a pat of butter. To summarize, creating perfect pancakes from scratch involves a balance of the right ingredients, careful mixing, and controlled heat. Remember, combine the dry and wet ingredients separately before mixing them together. Don't overmix, and be patient when cooking. With these tips in hand, you're now ready to create a breakfast masterpiece that will surely impress. Subscribe, and happy cooking.